Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your domain to Shopify. First, you will need to log into your domain provider account, like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Next, we will update two crucial DNS records, the A record and the CNAME record. Finally, we will verify the connection directly within your Shopify admin. This process ensures your custom web address directs customers to your online store seamlessly. To begin, open your web browser and go to your domain registrar's website. This is where you purchased your domain name. Log in using your credentials. Once inside, look for a section labeled DNS Management, Advanced DNS, or Zone Editor. This area allows you to modify the technical settings for your domain. Having your Shopify login handy will also be helpful for later steps. Now locate your record. You need to change its value to Shopify's IP address, which is 23.227.38.65. Next, find your CNAME record for www and point it to shops.myshopify.com. It is important to remove any other A records or www CNAME records that might conflict. After making these two critical changes, remember to save them. With your DNS records updated, head back to your Shopify admin. Go to Settings, then Domains. Click on Connect Existing Domain and type in your domain name. Then, click Verify Connection. It can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 48 hours for these changes to spread across the internet. Be patient, and your custom domain will soon be live with your Shopify store.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.